and this is my channel, so welcome to it. From now on, you're gonna see me all the time, all day, me doing sleeping, eating, pooping, and peeing. So I hope you enjoy it. Leave a kind comment down below and tell me you love me, because I'm cute. Okay, everyone, this is Fergie, as she said, and no, this is not going to turn into her channel where she's going to be pooping, because nobody wants to see that. Right, Freya? Yeah. Okay, everyone, so this is Fergie. She's a new member of our family. She's 2 months old now. We've had her now for 3 weeks. She's a good girl, but she's very, very active. Of course, she's a little puppy, so she's very playful, loves to chew on things, and loves to eat and take over her poor bowl, even though she's got her own little puppy food that she should be eating and not somebody else's. You naughty. Anyway, look how cute she is, everyone. She's a female, of course, I've been saying she, and she is a mix shepherd, so she's an Australian shepherd, I believe, and blue heeler, and some other mention, I don't recall what it was, but yeah, we can see the blue heeler, we can see the Australian shepherd in her kind of a little bit more, but we'll see. It doesn't matter. We love her, whatever she is. She's just super cute, and she took over this house very quickly. We do keep her in a crate at night, so she's being trained, and she's got her little puppy pads, and she's now at the point where we can start potty training her to go outdoors. She's been using the pads really, really well. I'm gonna say maybe 98% of the time, because sometimes it's a hit or miss, you know, whether it's on the edge of the puppy pad or next to it. So yeah, there's gonna be some cleanups that we have to do, but overall she's doing really well. This morning I've been holding her, and she started whining, so she wanted to get down. So I said, oh, she might have to go do her business. So I took her outside. Freya and I went outside with her. We had the other dogs out there, and I let her play around, and I said she's eventually going to have to pee at some point, got to do her business. And my mom came out, and we sat down and gave them all some treats, and she still hadn't done anything. And after a while I said, you know what, we're just going to go ahead and go inside, because I guess she didn't have to do that. No, as soon as we came in, she headed over to her pad and did her business. So if y'all have any suggestions, that'll be great. But I'm gonna do what we used to do with Freya, and that was to take some of the pads and cut them up like in 4 pieces, you know, four rectangles is what they're gonna end up being, and put them by the door, so that every time that she whines when we're holding her, she has to go pee. We're gonna go ahead and grab a pad really quickly, take her outside, put the pad down, and see if she goes on the pad outside. I'm also thinking about maybe enrolling her in potty training classes, because she is old enough now. She's 2 months, so she's old enough for that. Look at her, she's so playful. Okay, so also I'd gotten her a couple of toys to play with. She does really well, but I thought I'd get her some extra things, because she's been grabbing some shoes. There's some old shoes, so I didn't mind her doing that, but I don't want her to feel like, oh, since I can play with these shoes, that means I can play with every pair of shoes in this house. So I went ahead and I ordered something from Amazon, and today we're going to unbox it, or rather we're going to unbag it, because it is in a bag. Fergie, you want to see what's in your bag? Do you want to see what's in here? You can chew this instead, not my hand, my poor hand. My mom tried sitting here with her, you know, cuddling her, but when she had already done that and she cuddled with her, she slept with her, and she liked that. But I won't let her take her into her room, because I don't want her, you know, possibly peeing or, you know, pooping in my mom's room or on her bed. So I told her, you want to be with her, want to cuddle with her, come out here. So she sits in this little love seat that I'm on, and I put the TV on for her, and then she lets her little doggy come up and cuddle her. And but this past couple of days, all that Fergie wants to do is play. So she bites my mom, and she's got little sharp little teeth. Oh my gosh! Stop! 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 It's oh, she's growling at me. Stop! 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 Okay, let's open your package and see. Ow! I'm telling you. See you too, girl. Let's see how much time do we have on this video. 4:52. Okay, we're okay. I'm just trying to keep an eye on it so it doesn't shut down on me. Okay, we're gonna pop this open. Let me put the scissors over here so you don't poke yourself. Look at that. She drew blood, you guys. Oh my gosh. No, no. 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 No seems to be a word that's, you know, sounding very aggressive to her. So she barks. So that word's not going to work. I don't know what will, but we'll find out. Stop. Maybe it's the way that I'm saying it. Okay. Look at that. Let's make sure that that's all that was in there. Yes. A little nice bag. Cute little bag. This is going to be for you, Fergie. You want to see what's inside? Stop biting me and you'll find out. Good girl. Bite. No. Bite the baggie instead. There you go. Unbox it. Oh, she's really good. I want to say stop, but she seems to think, oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. Calm down. Everybody's looking at you, and I told them that you were such a good girl. Look at you. You're being a bad girl. Oh my goodness. Look at this. You got a chancla. This is a little, oh my goodness. It is a little, what is this? A sandal. Little shoe so she can chew on. Let me open this up and give it to her and see if this will calm her down. Oh my goodness. Of course, I decided to go ahead and start videoing, and the people that do our lawn decided to show up after weeks and weeks of no lawn maintenance because it's been cool and everything. So our yard hasn't really grown. Our grass hasn't really grown. So we haven't needed that. And today was the day they show up to cut it, and I'm doing a video. So if you hear all that noise in the background, I apologize. But I finally got myself dressed to do a video, so I had to take advantage of the situation. Look at this. Isn't this cute? How much did I pay for this? I think I paid like $12 for this package. Maybe $14 at the most. $14.99 or something like that. And I ordered this from Amazon. They had it in a blue and they had it in this pink. I thought the pink was really cute. Hey, here. You like that? You like that? You like? And she does fetch. I throw things. She goes in and gets it and drops it at my feet. So I throw it again. So she's very good with that. So I was reading that all these things with little bumps on it is good for them because they're teething, and you know, because they want to chew everything. That's why they want to chew everything, because they're teething. So these little knobs on here are good for that because they also clean the teeth. Yeah, there you go. Let's give you that. What's our time there? Then we're going to stop this and restart. Okay, let's see what the next item in here is. I think there's like 6 items maybe. This one. You like that one, girl? Yeah, she seems to like that one. Okay. How about this one? Look. Look, so we can play tag or tug. You like this one? She's not sure about this one. She seems to like the chancla. Wata. That's what Mexican moms do. Throw the chancla at you. Okay. My mom never threw a chancla at me because I was a good little girl. Okay, let's see. Let's open this one up. Oh, this is another little, kind of like this one, a little bone. That's what this one was. See? A little fabric that she can chew and tear on and pull. Okay, she's liking it now. Let me put the camera down a little bit because I want you to see her, not me. There we go. Okay, girl. Here's another one. She's liking that one. She liked that one, but now she likes that one. They're all different kind of a... Well, this one's the same tone of pink, and that one's a little bit more pinkish, but that's okay. Ugh, couldn't get it out of the bag. But that's what this one is, and look at all these little bits here, and it's also textured right here. I think my dog Freya might like some of this too. She might want to play with it. You like this one? I think she needs to have it down here so she can eventually, you know, explore it and find out. Okay, let me get the other, well, there's 3 more items. So there was 6 in here. Here's a little ball. I have a little ball like this in a black one that I bought, or my husband actually got for me, with a foot roller. One of those rolling things that you put your foot on so you can roll it. And I need it for my foot, and I use that in therapy. So I got one for myself, I should say, because I put it on the cart and told him that's what I wanted for Christmas. So he bought that for me. And it came with one of these balls, and she's been playing with it. I can see it on the floor over there. So I thought, oh, she'll like this one too because it's exactly the same, but a little bit smaller. So look at that. Look, a ball too, girl. Look. Look how cute. It's got little paws. Little paw print on it. I saw that somewhere else too. Where did I see that? Oh no, it was a little piggy. See a little piggy on there? There. But it's got the 4 little bean prints instead of 5 for the toes. The little 5 little beans there. Okay, let's see. Now, this one is a ring with some fabric as well. That's what that looks like. It's so cute. This is the same pink as the little bone with the fabric on it. Hey, there you go. There's another one, Mama. One more. One more. And we'll be done with our unbagging. Oh, look at this. This is so cute. It's a little star-shaped one. Another little tee there with a little fabric tug on it. Super cute. It's got little textured stars on it. So there's something, you know, for her to feel, you know, with her little teeth and her tongue. Oh, just some nice textures on things. You like that one? It's almost like she was pushing it away. No, she likes it. So she seems to like all her little toys. Are you happy with all your little toys, girl? Yay! All right, everyone. Okay, Fergie. You want to say bye to everybody? Stop biting Mama? There we go. All right, everyone. We're going to give ourselves a big paw up. And I hope that you will give us a big thumbs up. Leave a kind comment down below. Let me know what you thought of our little Fergie right here. So, obviously she's cute. What can we say, right? And if you haven't already subscribed to my videos, let me put this up a little bit. If you haven't already subscribed, I'm going to ask that you please do so. And then, of course, choose all on your notifications so that you get notified as soon as I upload a video. Now, my videos aren't going to be doggy sleeping, eating, pooing, and peeing. They're going to be craft videos, of course, and some food recipes. And, hey, there's other contents that I put up sometimes, little updates. My goodness. All right, everyone. I'm going to shut this down now. Thank you all for watching. I hope that you really did enjoy watching Fergie right here. Little nasty little girl. You're being nasty. You see how you are. You're cute, though. You're cute, though. I can't stand it, everyone. She's so cute. All right, everyone. Oh, by the way, she was a gift from our son, Nathan. Yeah. All right, everyone. Have a wonderful weekend. And as always, enjoy.